Today we're making this amazing 1-minute microwave double chocolate chip cookie. And while you may think microwave recipes are so simple, this took me quite a few tries. This one was quite tricky to develop. I finally got it down and boy is it delicious. It's soft, full of chocolate, and makes a great late night or study snack. As usual, you're going to start with some butter, which we are going to melt in the microwave. Add the milk and the sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, it doesn't matter. The full recipe will be in the description box below. Give these ingredients a quick mix, and in another bowl, you're going to combine together the flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking soda. It's really important to give these ingredients a mix beforehand to avoid any lumps of cocoa, lumps of baking soda in your cookie, and it will be easier to mix the dough. If you're new to my channel, by the way, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for new delicious treats. You want to mix the dough well, add the chocolate chopped into little pieces. Adding an actual chocolate bar to this makes the cookie 100 times better and more delicious. Nothing beats good quality chocolate. You can of course use chocolate chips if you like, but don't skimp on the chocolate. Follow the recipe in the description. It may seem like a lot of chocolate in the dough, but the chocolate chunks, the chocolate pieces, the chocolate chips are what's going to give this cookie that gooey chocolate kick. Bring the dough together with your hands, flatten the cookie onto a piece of parchment paper. Aim for a little less than half an inch thick, just like, this cookie, just like the one you see in the video. Add more chocolate chunks on top, and you're going to pop this baby in the microwave for about a minute to 1 minute and 15 seconds on full power. I always stress about this. You need to know that every microwave is different. My cookie took exactly 1 minute and 10 seconds to fully cook through. Do not overcook the cookie or it will burn. The cookie should come out of the microwave still soft. To avoid breaking it, which has happened to me while I was testing the recipe, just take the entire plate out of the microwave and carefully transfer the cookie with the parchment paper on a wire rack. Now this cookie does need to cool for at least 5 minutes or it will fall apart. I know it's tempting to eat it right now, but if you can wait 5-6 minutes, it will be easier to handle. Enjoy this warm. Nothing beats a warm, soft, and gooey double chocolate chip cookie. It's so good. If you want a quick chocolate fix, make this. You'll love it.